everyone, today I'm going to quickly show you how to customize the Quick Access Toolbar. So the Quick Access Toolbar is right above the ribbon at the top here. It contains a bunch of different functions that I'm going to walk you through really carefully. So the first one's a file function. So if you click on a file, it's going to automatically bring you to that home page that comes up when you first open up Excel. You're going to be able to select a new blank workbook, a template, open up a recent file, or open up a existing file. Scroll back. The next one is the save function. So this is really important as you're going along through your spreadsheets. You want to make sure that you're always doing at least Command S, or I believe it's Shift S for Microsoft, or Control S, yes, Control S. Or you want to be clicking the save function at the top. That's going to save your entire workbook. So if you have multiple tabs open, it's going to save everything. The next one is the undo button. So say for example, I went in here and I changed it to personal budget for, pizza, because everyone needs one of those. But I actually didn't want to do that and I messed up, and instead of coming back up here and deleting it or retyping it, I can just go back up to the top and hit undo. You might have to do it a couple times depending on how many edits you made, but the undo function is going to allow you to undo the actions that you previously did. Opposite to the undo function is the redo function. So if you click the redo button, it's going to bring back up your personal budget for pizza. The next function that we have up here is the email function. I'm not going to click on this because it's going to take us right out into my email. But if you have this put into your Quick Access Toolbar, when you click on the email function, really helpful here, guys. It's going to take your document or your workbook that you're working on, save it in a file for you, and attach it to an email that you can instantly send to somebody. Really helpful. The next one is the print function. We're going to go through this later in Excel. I'm going to show you how to easily set up printing for your different workbooks and spreadsheets. And then the last one is to customize the Quick Access Toolbar, and that's what we're here to do today, folks. So let's click on that little arrow down. You're going to see that all of the functions that we have listed here all are checked off. So we have our file, save, print, undo, redo. We also have the email, and yes, the email is the only one that's not on here, I believe. Yeah. So say we want something else on there, like spelling grammatical check. So if we click spelling, we're going to see the little ABC come up. We can click that. It's going to say, do you want to continue checking at the beginning of the sheet? Sure. Spell check complete. You're good to go. Perfect. What else can we throw on there? Say we want a quick sort function. So if we want to sort something, we can select our data, we can click on it, and because they're not merged, we're not going to be able to sort it, but yeah, we could sort it really quickly. Now, what else can we throw up there? Let's see. So if we go to more commands at the bottom, you're going to see what looks like almost an infinite list of different things that you can put in your own customized Quick Access Toolbar. So say you want to put an insert cell function, you're going to click on insert cells, just use the little arrow over. Say you want to do insert table, pivot tables. If you're working in an office and you have to make a lot of pivot tables for your boss, you can easily throw over pivot tables. You can put the sum functions, you can put the macro functions. Once you're done all that, just hit save, and it's going to customize your Quick Access Toolbar with all these different handy functions. I really encourage you guys to take the opportunity, sit down once you get using Excel for a bit, and make a very handy Quick Access Toolbar so you can quickly access different functions. Alright everyone, thanks for your time. Take care.